Now let us talk about the non-palletized storage. What is non-palletized storage in warehousing? It's also related to the material handling. For example, the non-palletized storage would be of nuts and bolts, which are not normally using the pallets. Electronic items are not normally placed on the pallets. Paper reels, machinery, steel bars, carpets, drums, or hanging garments. They never use pallets in a warehouse. Shelving bins and drawer units are mostly used for the storage of these type of items. Shelving bins and drawer units have a capacity in them. So it might be possible that we might be able to place nut and bolts or some electronic parts into it, but it may still not be feasible for hanging for garments or for some bigger units. There is also mobile shelving. The difference between a mobile shelving and shelving or bins would be about the automation which is being involved in mobile shelving. In mobile shelving, there would be a hand band in which the detail of the SKU would be there and it would be stacked in some bin or shelf. And it is also used for smaller items like electronic products or components which are smaller in size. Then there is flow racks. Flow racks are carton live storage. This is similar to pallet live storage, with the exception that pallets would not be moving now. It would be the carton that would be moving in the racks. So the carton would contain a specific SKU. Then of course there are carousels and lift modules. Carousels are specialized equipment for different type of products that do not require palletization. And these work like in chains. So it would be pulling the things up and racking it in the form of stacks. This is one of the the picture of carton live storage or flow racks. So the cartons would be racked and they can be accessed at any time. This is a figure of a vertical carousel in which the stacking of different components would be done in a vertical storage way. So students, these were some important type of non-palletized storage material handling equipments. Thank you.